How does the Windows Registry Editor affect performance? Imagine your computer as a busy city. The Windows Registry is like the city's central control center, holding all the rules and settings that keep everything running smoothly. When you open the Registry Editor, you're essentially peeking into this control room. Changes you make here can influence how fast or slow your system runs. But how exactly does this work? Let's find out. The Windows Registry stores all sorts of information about your hardware, software, and user preferences. When Windows starts or runs programs, it reads these registry entries to decide how to allocate resources and manage tasks. If the registry is cluttered or contains incorrect entries, it can slow down your system. Think of it like a traffic jam caused by outdated or unnecessary road signs. One way the Registry Editor can affect performance is through task and resource prioritization. Certain registry keys control how Windows assigns CPU power to different tasks. For example, changing values related to process priority can make your computer give more attention to active applications like games or editing software. Adjusting the setting called Win30 to priority separation can help Windows focus more on the foreground tasks, making your experience more responsive. Power management settings are also stored in the registry. These settings decide how much energy your CPU or graphics card uses. Disabling power throttling through registry tweaks can prevent your system from limiting performance to save energy. This is especially useful for laptops or systems with aggressive power-saving profiles, as it can make applications run more smoothly and quickly. The registry also controls how much processing power is reserved for background tasks. If you increase the resources allocated to active tasks, your system can feel faster. But keep in mind, this might reduce battery life or efficiency, so it's a balance. However, there is a risk. Making incorrect changes to the registry can cause serious problems. For example, deleting important keys might slow down your computer, cause it to freeze, or even prevent it from starting properly. Because the registry is central to Windows operation, fixing these issues often requires a system restore or reinstall. For those interested in optimizing Windows performance, the Registry Editor is a powerful tool. It allows you to fine-tune how your system behaves beyond what standard settings offer. You can prioritize gaming performance, disable background performance caps, or improve responsiveness. But it's important to know exactly what you're changing. A small mistake can lead to big problems. In summary, the Windows Registry Editor affects performance by letting you control system priorities, power settings, and responsiveness. When used carefully, it can make your computer faster and more efficient for specific tasks. But always remember, editing the registry should be done with caution. Understanding what each change does helps prevent issues and keeps your system running smoothly.